By raising your income, even by just $100 a month, a side job can improve your financial stability. Additionally, you could be able to earn significantly more each month, which would make it simpler to pay off debts, save money, and just generally breathe a little easier after creating your budget. I suppose that everyone could use a bit extra. You can also earn money on the side through side jobs that are unconnected to your main career. Your income won't be entirely lost if you experience problems at work. A major concern is having enough money. You have some protection if anything occurs to either of your revenue streams by reducing your dependency on each individual income stream. Hi, I am Mamo. Naya House Store LLP guides you to your goal. We choose 5 best methods for you. Methods Naya House Store introduces are proven by people in the world. No stock and no shipping required. Amazing low failure rate. Easy for beginners. Sometime, you might have no enough money for your daily life due to your living cost increasing even you work so hard. And you might have a good house and vehicle. Going travels? And extra income provides you flexible working hours, working style as you like, more comfortable life, and flexible schedules. And also work for extra income may build your portfolio and make a career change too. You can save some cost and time if you work from home. Your free time to better yourself. Click below to find out the best methods for you.